In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your media in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, this is one of the first things you'll want to know, because before you can start editing, you need to be able to find and bring your clips into the project properly. The good news is that this process is very simple, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're inside the project where you want to work. Once you're in, look toward the top left area of the interface and click on Media Pool. This is the section where your imported files are stored and organized inside the project. After you click it, you'll be able to see any media that has already been added. So, if you've imported clips before, they should appear there and be ready to use. If you don't see your file yet, that just means you still need to import it. To do that, go directly to the Media Pool area and right-click inside it. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Import Media. This will open a file browser on your computer so you can look for the video, audio, or image file you want to bring into DaVinci Resolve. Once the file browser opens, simply navigate to the folder where your media is saved, click on the file you want, and confirm your selection. After that, the file will be added to the media pool, and you should see it appear there right away. From this point on, your media is successfully opened inside DaVinci Resolve and ready for the next stage of your editing process. A helpful tip here is to always double-check that you're importing the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Keeping your media organized from the start can save you time later when your project gets bigger. So just to quickly recap, open DaVinci Resolve, click Media Pool in the top left, right-click in the Media Pool, choose Import Media, and then select your file. That's all it takes to open your media and get it into your project. Once your file is visible in the Media Pool, you're ready to move on and start working with it inside DaVinci Resolve.